Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn in our lesson Heritage Management. Yesterday we have seen oral sources, okay, and what training should be necessary for the oral sources of history. Now, today we are going to learn writing sources of history. Collecting coins and copper. It is written source now. Collecting coins and copper plates with inscription on them and documents like official records, personal correspondence and diaries, historical books, old books, manuscripts, picture, photographs, etc. Means it should be collect means because it is written, because on the coin and copper plate there some written information is there, inscription, okay. Documents like official record, historical official record, personal correspondence and diaries means personal information of any sant or leader, okay, or any king, historical king, and some diaries related to this king, sant, or any means any leader. Then next, historical books, because it is a important source of history, written source of history, old books, manuscripts, okay. Then next is pictures. With the help of picture also we can use means we can get the written information with the help of photographs, okay. Then next, completing necessary mechanical and chemical process of cleaning for the conservation and preservation of collecting documents. Because these documents are historical and this may be become old and okay, maybe some dirt will collect on that books, historical books. It may be old, and that's why some chemical, with the help of some chemical process, this book should be clean, and then we can conserve and preserve of these collected documents. If these for example coins or copper plates are there, then it may be there should be the, it may be that it is become old and we cannot understood because some dirt or that means maybe that coins maybe become the black, copper plates also black, and it should be necessary to clean these plates or coins, and then we can get the inscription, means that whatever written are on the coins, and that's why it is very necessary to clean with the help of chemical process. After that, ascertaining the historical value of collected document, means ascertaining means find out the historical value of collected documents, whatever the value, means classify this and means find out and classify the means historical value of collected document. Then exhibiting selected document. After the means classification, we can put the exhibition of this selected historical books or documents, and then publishing edited documents and research report, and after that publish edited document. We can again means new publication should be do of this means historical books and document. Then what necessary training is required? Knowledge of scripts like Brahmi, Modi, Persian and their development, because all the old coins or some old books which are related to these scripts, Brahmi scripts or Modi scripts or Persian scripts, okay, because Indian language some which are tells us about the Brahmi and Modi script, okay, means this whatever the written inscription is there, it is in Modi or Brahmi, and it is very this person should be know about these scripts, okay. Then basic knowledge of social organization and tradition, literature, culture, dynasties, administrative system, etc. of past societies. This person should be know the basic knowledge of social organization and tradition, okay. Also literature and culture, means because different type of literature is there, also different culture, okay. Then dynasties means series of the ruler, okay, of powerful people, series of ruler of powerful people. administrative system is whatever their administrative system of these historical kings. Okay, it should be know about this means trained person. Then knowledge of various schools and styles of painting and sculpture art. Means this person should be know about the types of uh, various schools of painting style. Also sculptural art, because there are different type of sculptural art and history of. Okay. Then knowledge of types of paper. Knowledge of types of paper, ink and color, because which type of paper used in the historical period, which ink used to write the material, and which colors used for to write the material. It is also very necessary while means for the written source of history. It is a necessary training. Okay. Then next is knowledge of properties of various stones and metals used for inscription. Means knowledge of properties, because there are different type of stones and metal used for the inscription. The knowledge of equipment and chemical use in various processes of cleaning, conservation and preservation, because these material should be clean, and that's why knowledge should be necessary of chemical process. The knowledge of various approaches of managing exhibiting in museums, galleries and information technology. Means various approach like manage the written material, after that exhibit this material in museums or in galleries, and information technology. This person should be know about the computer knowledge. Okay, because this material is means save in the computer in the data form. Okay, like this way these are the necessary training. Then next is material source of history, third part of the sources, material source. Collecting artifacts, classify them according to their historical date and type, and preparing index. Means collect the artifacts, means tools, weapon or ornament. Okay, historical tools, weapons and ornament. Classify them according to their historical date, because it is a material source, that's why tool, weapons, ornaments are there. And to according to their means classify according to date and type, and preparing index. Then completing necessary mechanical and chemical process of cleaning for the conservation and preservation of collecting documents. Means these are the require means whatever the require, it is same for material, oral and written source. Arranging exhibition of selected artifacts or their replicas. Means arrange the exhibition of these tools, weapons or ornament. Okay. If these means original copies are not available of this, then we can use their replicas, means exact copy. Okay, exact copy of this material. मतलब ओरिजिनल जो था, फॉर एग्जांपल छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की जो sword थी वो अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो उसकी एग्जैक्ट कॉपी भी बना के एग्जीबिशन में रख सकते हैं. Writing and publishing research articles about collected artifacts. After that, write and publish the research articles about these tools, weapons and ornament. Then classify fossils of plants and animals and prepare indexes. After that, classify the fossils. Fossils means any preserved evidence or of ancient times. Of plants means plants के fossil मतलब remain material of plant or remain of animal. Okay, and prepare the indexes. And then last, exhibiting selected fossils or their replicas, and after that means exhibit of this selected remains and their replicas, means exact copy of this material. Okay, tomorrow we will do the necessary training of material source. Okay, thank you.